Okay, here's the situation. I've got this leftover piece of foam from a project I did last week. You know the kind. The kind you pick up from the craft store thinking you'll need a ton, but you end up with a pile of scraps. What if I combine this foam with my couch and my wireless charger to make a wireless charging couch arm? All right, here's the plan. We're gonna create a foam pocket that holds my wireless charger, integrate it seamlessly into the arm of the couch, and make it look somewhat incognito. Step 1, measure twice, cut once. We need the foam to lay snugly on top of the arm while leaving space for the charger. I started by cutting the foam into a long rectangle that lays on top of the arm. Then I made a smaller cutout for the wireless charger to sit snugly inside. The goal, no more hunting for my charger. It will always be right here. It looks like it was made for this. Now comes the moment of truth. Let's plug it in and see if it works. Boom! Look at that, it's charging. No more fumbling for chargers or cords. The couch arm is now my charging hub. And it only took a piece of foam and about 20 minutes of effort. So if you've got leftover craft foam and a little creativity, try this out. It's functional, it's fun, and honestly, it's kind of genius.